If you have ever wanted to use the Instagram Threads application on your computer or laptop, or if you are looking for an easy way to open Threads without using your phone, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to install the Instagram Threads application on your computer or laptop step by step in a very simple way. You don't need any special skills, and I will explain everything slowly so anyone can follow along. Let's get started. First, make sure you open Microsoft Edge by going to the Start menu and searching Microsoft Edge. Or it might just appear here, you're just gonna click on it. Once you open Microsoft Edge, go to the search bar and type in threads.com. Here you're gonna click on this link. Once you open the Threads website, go to the top right, click on these three dots, go down here to more tools, then go to apps. As you can see here, there is install Threads. Gonna click it there and then click on install here. And this is how you can install Threads on your computer or laptop. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.